To access SoundCloud on a PS5, a workaround is necessary, as there is no direct way to do so. This process involves connecting to SoundCloud via Discord on the PS5. First, turn on the PS5, navigate to the Gamebase menu, and select the Discord option to link a Discord account to the PlayStation. Next, create a Discord server on a computer or phone by opening Discord, clicking the plus button to add a server, and selecting Create My Own. Choose the For Me and My Friends option and give the server a name, such as SoundCloud Listening. After creating the server, add a SoundCloud bot to it. This is done by searching for a Discord SoundCloud bot on Google, finding a suitable bot on a website like TopGG, and inviting it to the newly created server. The bot invitation process involves clicking Invite on the bot's page, selecting the server from a list, and authorizing the bot to access the server. If the server does not appear in the list, refresh the page or log in to the Discord account to proceed. Once the bot is added to the server, open the server and follow the bot's instructions to link a SoundCloud account. This typically involves sending commands in a text channel, such as help to view available commands. The bot can play SoundCloud music directly, so there is no need to connect it to any other device. To play SoundCloud music on the PS5, join a voice channel on the Discord server. Ensure the microphone is not muted, and type play followed by a search term in the chat. This will start playing the selected music, allowing users to listen to SoundCloud on their PS5 via Discord.